Struggle 2.0. All right, guys, we need to talk. I have tried everything, and I mean everything. Building websites, chasing YouTube fame, the dream of passive income, social media hacks, Amazon affiliates, more like Amazon, donates nothing. And after countless sleepless nights, endless brainstorming sessions, and a long list of failed marketing attempts, what do I have to show for it? Zero, nada, nothing. So I had to ask myself, if making money online is so easy, why am I still broke? And then it hit me. New strategy, just beg. If all these so-called income streams don't work, maybe I've been doing it all wrong. Maybe, just maybe, the key to online riches is as simple as asking for it. So welcome to my latest and possibly dumbest attempt at escaping financial ruin, the online begging experiment. How much money can I make by doing absolutely nothing? And will it be more than my past 4 YouTube channels, 3 websites, and 10 affiliate programs combined? Only time will tell. But before you roll your eyes, think about it. Every day, people donate to streamers just for playing video games. Every day, influencers with brand deals still get tips. Every day, GoFundMe campaigns raise thousands for the most ridiculous reasons. So why not me? Why not this? Listen, I've put in the work. I've followed the tutorials. I've signed up for every passive income trick in the book. I've grinded. I've hustled. And yet here I am, with less than what I started with. I've built websites that nobody visits. I've made videos that nobody watches. I've shared affiliate links that nobody clicks. And after all this effort, after all the hard work that every so-called guru swears by, I've come to one painful conclusion. Maybe it's not about working harder. Maybe it's about working smarter. And by smarter, I mean Part 2, the Experiment 2.0. So this is it, the grand experiment. What happens if I stop trying to be the next big YouTuber? What happens if I drop the whole marketing guru act? What happens if I embrace the absurdity, lean into the chaos, and just say, hey, random person on the internet, want to send me money for no reason? I mean, seriously, what if this actually works? Let's say a few of you scan that QR code, even if just a handful of you decide to humor me and toss in €1 or 2. That could be the easiest money I've ever made. And then what? Do I do it again? Do I double down? Do I officially become the world's first full-time professional digital beggar? Honestly, there are worse jobs. I could be selling courses on how to make money online when I haven't made a cent myself. I could be one of those guys flashing fake Lamborghinis and scammy ads, convincing you that success is just a $997 payment away. But I'm not doing that. I'm being honest. I have failed at making money online, spectacularly. And instead of hiding from that failure, I'm turning it into content. Maybe that's my real niche, documenting every dummy-making idea I've ever tried, until one of them, somehow, miraculously, pays off. And honestly, if I make even €10 from this, it's already outperformed my entire affiliate marketing career. So in a way, this is already a success. But let's be real. How far can we take this? What if I start making real money? What if this becomes a thing? Do I launch a Patreon, a website dedicated to the art of digital panhandling? Do I start teaching others how to do it? Oh my God. What if this becomes my brand? Imagine the headlines. Man fails at everything, turns to begging, becomes a millionaire. Okay. One step at a time. For now, we start small. Let's see if anyone anywhere is willing to just send me money with 0 strings attached. Let's see if the internet has a soft spot for a guy who has tried, failed, and finally decided to embrace the insanity of it all. So here's the deal. Scan this QR code. Send me a surprise. Could be €1, could be 10, could be nothing. That's fine too. I'm just curious to see what happens. And don't worry, I'll report back. I'll be 100% transparent. I'll break down exactly how much I make down to the last cent. Because this isn't just a plea for money. It's a social experiment. It's research. It's science. And who knows, maybe this is the start of a new trend. Maybe just begging is the next big thing. Maybe in a few years, you'll see entire YouTube channels dedicated to nothing but asking for money in the most creative ways possible. Or maybe this will be just another failure to add to my long list. Either way, I'll be here, documenting the journey. So if you want to be a part of internet history, if you want to support this ridiculous experiment, If you want to say, I was there when this guy finally lost it, scan the QR code. And if nothing else, at least like the video. Maybe drop a comment. Tell me the dumbest way you've ever tried to make money online. Let's bond over our collective failures. And if this actually works, well, then I guess I'll see you in the next episode. How I became the internet's first professional beggar. Stay tuned.